Professor Lars Chitka at Queen Mary University in London and his colleagues followed 45 buff-tailed bumblebees in an arena and gave them the options of walking through an unobstructed path to reach a feeding area or deviating from this path into the areas with wooden balls. As a result, individual bees rolled balls between 1 and, impressively, 117 times over the experiment. Their repeated behavior suggested that ball rolling was rewarding. This was supported by a further experiment where another 42 bees were given access to two color chambers, one always containing movable balls, and one without any objects. When tested and given a choice between the two chambers, neither containing balls, the bees showed a preference for the color of the chamber previously associated with the wooden balls. The setup of the experiments removed any notion that the bees were moving the balls for any greater purpose other than play. Rolling balls did not contribute to survival strategies, such as gaining food, clearing clutter, or mating, and was done under stress-free conditions. The findings were published October 19, 2022 in the journal Animal Behavior. Play is not limited to humans, but is a phenomenon seen across many animal species. It contributes to the healthy development and maintenance of an animal's cognitive and motor abilities. This means that we need to correct our view that play is worthless, killing time for nothing.